Do you ever feel like your thoughts are just racing a million miles a minute? Like your heart won't stop pounding and you can't seem to catch your breath? You're not alone. Anxiety is something that so many of us struggle with, and it can feel completely overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a simple, almost magical technique that can help you ground yourself and find calm in the midst of all that chaos? It's called the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique, and it's like a little lifeline you can grab onto whenever anxiety threatens to pull you under. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to use this technique, step by step. Whether you're dealing with everyday stress or something more serious, this technique can empower you to regain control and find your center. So, take a deep breath and let's get started. All right, let's dive right in. Find a comfortable position and take a moment to just be present in your body. Now look around your surroundings. What are 5 things you can see? Don't overthink it, just notice whatever catches your eye. Maybe it's the way the light falls on the wall or the pattern on your sweater. Maybe you notice a book on your shelf or a picture on the wall. The point is to shift your focus outward, away from the whirlwind of thoughts inside your head. As you name each object, really observe it. What color is it? What shape is it? Engage your senses and allow yourself to become fully immersed in the present moment. Great! Now that you've grounded yourself in your surroundings, let's bring in the sense of touch. Identify 4 things you can touch. It could be the soft fabric of your clothes against your skin, the coolness of a glass of water, or the texture of a blanket. As you touch each item, really pay attention to the sensations. Is it smooth or rough, warm or cold? Allow yourself to fully experience the physical sensations, again drawing your attention away from your anxious thoughts. This technique is all about reconnecting with your body and the present moment. It's about reminding yourself that you are safe and anchored, even when your mind feels like it's spiraling. 3 things you can hear. Now let's tune into our sense of hearing. Close your eyes if it helps you to focus. What are 3 things you can hear around you? It could be the sound of your own breath, the hum of the refrigerator, or the chirping of birds outside. Really listen to the sounds, noticing the subtle nuances and variations in pitch and volume. Our sense of hearing is incredibly powerful, and by focusing on these external sounds, we can begin to quiet the noise of our own anxious thoughts. Remember, this technique is a practice. It's like a muscle you're strengthening. The more you use it, the easier it will become to access this sense of calm whenever you need it. 2 things you can smell. Okay, let's move on to our sense of smell. Take a deep breath in and see if you can identify 2 things you can smell. It could be the scent of your laundry detergent, a candle burning nearby, or even the fresh air coming in through an open window. Our sense of smell is directly linked to the emotional center of our brain, so engaging this sense can be incredibly calming and grounding. Allow yourself to really savor the aroma, noticing the subtle notes and complexities of the scent. If you find it helpful, you can even close your eyes and imagine yourself surrounded by that aroma, as if you've stepped into a peaceful and serene environment. Finally, let's end with our sense of taste. Take a sip of water, chew a piece of gum, or simply notice the taste in your mouth. What do you experience? Is it sweet, sour, salty, or bitter? Focus on the sensations on your tongue and the way the flavor lingers. This final step helps to bring you fully into the present moment, grounding you in your physical body and the world around you. You've now engaged all 5 of your senses, creating a sense of awareness and presence that can help to quiet your anxious thoughts. Remember, you can use this technique anytime, anywhere, whenever you feel anxiety creeping in. It's a simple yet powerful tool to have in your back pocket. And there you have it, the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. It's like a magic spell for your mind, helping you to find calm and clarity amidst the chaos. Remember, anxiety doesn't have to control your life. You are strong, you are capable, and you have the power to navigate these challenging emotions. Practice this technique regularly, and it will become second nature, a soothing balm for your soul whenever you need it. You are not alone on this journey. We all struggle sometimes, and it's okay to ask for help if you need it. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to be kind to yourself. You are worthy of peace and happiness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Until next time, take care.